Hey guys, good morning, it's Tony. So I wasn't going to make a video today just because I did like 2 short videos yesterday and I thought that was enough, but I got a bunch of comments of people saying, like, messaging me and DMing me and be like, hey, where's your video today? I'm like, all right, cool. I'm about to shower like right now, so I'm going to make a real quick video on what I think is going to happen. We just had CPI. CPI came in at 6.4%. I'm not going to really, make this a long video. I'm personally still bullish to the upside. I think we can definitely see 420 by the end of this week. Short term though, I do think we can probably drop down to like 409, 408, somewhere around this range before recovering and moving up to the upside, right? So as of right now, because we did close this 4-hour bear trigger, I am expecting us to drop all the way back down here. But depending on how strong this is, right, how strong this 4-hour bear trigger is, we could definitely just trade sideways and then push up extremely hard. As of right now, like I said, pretty bearish to the low side. I think minimum we see like a 410, probably maybe 410, 409 or something. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen, because we are starting to sell off a little bit harder than before. We already broke these lows, and that's essentially what I'm thinking is we're just going to go low, right? That's what I'm guessing right now. You did hit this trend, you wicked up, long tail, so just a lot of confluences to let me know, hey, you're going to go down lower, right? So minimum, I do think we're going back to like 410. So here's what I'm thinking right now, right? Really quick. From here, I'm thinking we do this, come down from here, and then bounce up, whatever. Or we go here, go down here to like a 408, 409, and then like bounce up or something, right? So that's basically what I'm thinking today. I'm probably going to short this all the way down. Well, I mean, probably not, because I'm on some pretty big longs right now, and I'm actually down quite a bit. So I'll show you guys real quick. That's my account. All right, that's it. I'm out. I'm not going to show you guys anymore how far down I am. You guys can pause it if you want. I might even take this video down just because I don't want that to be public, right? But that's basically the account right now. I do think that this is probably going to go down, shoot up, go down to 408, shoot up. The dollar has a gap to fill at right here at 103.281. So I think minimum the dollar does have a little bit more room to go up, quite a little bit more, not quite a lot, but 103.278. That's probably my target for that gap fill. So you either come back, gap fill and drop, or you come up, gap fill, and you keep pushing towards the upside. But as of right now, on the SPY, it does look like you're going to drop pretty hard today. CPI came in at 6.4. Not really much else to say. It's like I said, it's more neutral than anything, but because we're neutral, I definitely am a little bit more bullish than anything else. The daily, again, you're still just kind of trading sideways. You were supposed to sell off here, right, on the daily. I would have considered a sell-off. Anything under 411, I consider it extremely bearish, right? If we actually go under 411, I'm considering like a danger zone. But you've really just been trading sideways, right? So right now in the 4-hour bearish again. 8-hour, you are about to go bearish. The 16-hour is about to go bearish. The 1-hour is bearish. So, I mean, the 30-minute is bearish. The 15-minute is almost about to go bullish. And the 5-minute, you're hitting those lows on the Stoke. So, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that can happen. Do we break lows here? What is this low? Low of 4122.13, 4122.4. So you actually did not break the lows of here. Oh, that's actually interesting. So here's another scenario. Second scenario. Market opens. Boom. So there's like 3 things that can happen, right? Overall, I think these are more plausible for us to go back down to 410, 408 before bouncing. But like 20% chance this happens. 50% chance this happens, and then there's like 30% chance this happens. I don't know. But I think there's a higher chance that we drop lower to like 410, 408 and then bounce before bouncing here. But you can bounce from here. Obviously, you could definitely bounce here because you haven't breaking the lows of this wick over here, which is what the low was, 4122.13, right? So you haven't really broken that low, 4122.45. So you have it at 4.5, right? That was the low. So still haven't broken the lows. This is what I think can happen. I'm still bullish towards the upside. I'm probably going to be buying all this up and martingaling in. We'll see what happens. Short term, I do think down. Longer term, I'm pretty bullish back to like 420 or something, I think. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.